Hyperlinks are text or graphic elements on a web page that do some action when a user interacts with them by moving a pointer over or clicking on them. In this video, you will learn the different types of hyperlinks and how to use them. This video assumes that you already know how to log into the Sitecore Content Editor, select your page, and find and edit the copy field using the WYSIWYG editor. If you need to review this information, you can find it in another video in this series. The most basic function of a hyperlink is navigation on websites. Menus on web pages are simply collections of hyperlinks. However, hyperlinks are also used to open forms, download files, open pop-up windows, additional tabs, and other actions. There are 4 common types of hyperlinks used by content authors. An internal hyperlink links to pages within the Sitecore system. An external hyperlink links to web pages or websites outside the Sitecore content tree. An email hyperlink will open an email dialog box and populate it with information for a specific person or organization. Finally, a document link will open and/or download a document embedded on a web page. To create an internal link, open the WYSIWYG copy editor and select the text where you'd like the link. Once your text is selected, choose the internal Sitecore link tool located in the WYSIWYG toolbar. The internal Sitecore link tool looks like 2 links of a chain. When you click the internal Sitecore link tool, a pop-up window containing the Sitecore content tree will appear. Once you've selected the target file, your link text will appear blue and underlined within the WYSIWYG editor. On preview of the page, your link text will appear Vandal Gold. You may not change the style. To create a link to a page external to the Sitecore content tree, the process is similar. Once your text is selected, choose the External Link tool located in the WYSIWYG toolbar near the Internal Link button. The External Link tool icon uses a globe with a chain. The External Link button will open a pop-up window that contains 3 tabs: Hyperlink, Anchor, and Email. The Hyperlink tab will be automatically open. In the field labeled URL, type or paste your entire external URL. Change your target to New Window. It is a university best practice to make it as easy as possible to navigate back to our site if an outside link is necessary. Enter a short description of the destination of the link for the tooltip field. If the viewer hovers their mouse over the link, this tooltip will tell them what will happen if they click the link. It's not necessary to populate the other fields of this pop-up. Choose OK to save your changes. Your link text will now appear blue and underlined within the WYSIWYG editor. On preview of the page, the link text will appear Vandal Gold. You may not change this style. To create an email link, you will select your email address as well as an action word. For example, select the phrase, Email John Doe. Once your phrase or email address is selected, choose the External Link button. When the pop-up appears, click the Email tab. Enter the full email address in the address field. The link text field will reflect the text you've selected within the WYSIWYG editor. Enter a descriptive phrase to populate the email recipient's subject line and help them classify the email. After you've entered text in the address and subject line fields, choose OK to save your changes. Your link text will now appear blue and underlined within the WYSIWYG editor. On preview of the page, your link text will appear Vandal Gold. You may not change this style. To create a link to a document from the Sitecore Media Library, click on the Internal Sitecore Link tool and select the Media Items tab. Navigate through the tree to the item you wish to link to and select it. You will know that the item is selected when it is highlighted in blue. Click on the Link button to create the link. It is important to use care when selecting the text for a link. The link text should be long enough so that it stands out from the other text on the page, but not so long that it renders the text difficult to read. A best practice is to select the phrase containing both a verb and a noun, such as Email John Doe, or Visit this web page, or Download this document. It is generally a good idea to avoid the phrase, "click here," as this is considered unprofessional in web design and content. For more complex hyperlink actions, you should check with your web coordinator.